HomeSmart review: my honest user experience with this real estate platform. Buying or selling a home can be stressful, but HomeSmart claims to make the process more efficient for both agents and clients. After exploring their system and talking to several users, here's my honest experience with HomeSmart's real estate platform. Most people think all real estate brokerages are the same, but the surprising truth is that HomeSmart takes a tech-driven approach that really sets it apart. The platform focuses on automation, handling paperwork, transactions and listings digitally, which saves agents tons of time. I tested their dashboard as part of a property search. The interface was clean, easy to navigate and integrated directly with MUL's listings. Communication between agent and client was seamless. Everything from scheduling showings to signing contracts could be done online. For agents, HomeSmart's biggest appeal is its 100% commission model. Instead of splitting earnings, agents pay a small monthly fee, which can significantly boost income over time. It's a win-win setup that attracts top talent while keeping client costs competitive. Customer service was responsive and professional. When I had a question about digital document signing, the support team replied within minutes. That said, HomeSmart's experience can vary depending on the local office. Some regions offer more training and resources than others, so it's worth checking local reviews before committing. Overall, HomeSmart stands out as a modern, transparent and efficient real estate platform. Whether you're buying, selling or working as an agent, its technology-first approach makes real estate transactions smoother and smarter than ever.